It's a new 2019 Fiat 500L. Generous seating for 5 with plenty of room to get comfy. This Italian hatchback is the perfect good time car. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, rear parking sensors, wireless phone connectivity, dual zone climate control, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Car and driver point out the high roof and the huge front quarter windows lend the interior a capacious feeling, and the cabin's fun squircle-shaped design theme and its quality materials make it feel Euro stylish. Fiat, an Italian feast for the eyes. Experience it for yourself today.
The friendly professionals at Perkins Motors are proud to serve the surrounding communities of Denver, Littleton, and Pueblo, Colorado. We're conveniently located at 1205 Motor City Drive in Colorado Springs, Colorado.